The L-sit, which is essentially imitating a chair in the air with the help of both strength and flexibility from the upper and lower body. Calisthenics athletes use it to build their core and make their six-pack appear. If I practice the L-sit every day, will I obtain abs of steel and feel my midsection endurance go through the roof? That's what we'll find out. I actually have two hypotheses for this experiment. My first one, I will be able to do a 25-second L-sit without too much struggling and vibration. If I take a look at my L-sit tutorial video, I could hold it for 8 to 10 seconds maximum while still shaking like vibranium. My second hypothesis is that I'll be able to do a L-sit to handstand or at least get the transition between the two on the floor itself. Let's find out if these ideas came to reality from doing L-sit every day for a week. The first day of the challenge started on a Saturday, and I've started with training the L-sit itself. I did 4 sets of L-sits for 10 seconds, which is my maximum hold for now, and let me tell you, I failed to do 10 seconds on the last 2 sets. Then I also did 3 sets of L-tuck for 15 seconds hold. This session taxed my six-pack real bad. I usually do L-sit at the end of a workout, so I end up not holding it for a long time. Well, I guess this is a sign of growth. Alright, so this is day 2 for the challenge. Just woke up, so today is gonna be test and rest, right? So I'm gonna do one day, I'm gonna train L-sit. Next day I'm just gonna try it and see how much time I can hold. So therefore I'm gonna do it on the ground because I think that the real L-sit is made on the ground, even though I train with P-bars, parallel bars, right? It's just easier. 3, 2, 1, go. I think I saw the stopwatch at 18 seconds. That's good. I've already progressed. I probably get to 25, man, and even check if I can make the L-sit to handstand. Actually, I'm gonna check if I can do the L-sit to handstand. And what does it look like? Yeah, does it go through? It doesn't go through. Alright, so this is day 3 of the challenge. Today I'm gonna do the workout, right? So I've already worked out today. I did some chest, delts and triceps. So the L-sit today is gonna be rough. Still, I'm gonna train it for 4 sets of L-sits, followed by 4 sets of L-sits to tuck planche, and then also another 3 or 4 sets of simply tuck L-sit. Since I hold it for 18 seconds, I'm going for 4 sets of 12 seconds hold, right? Let's do it. My abs are definitely sore. Cut. Alright guys, so just came back from a run, 4 kilometers run. I'm gonna do the day 4 test. Alright, day number 4, test and rest. Start the chrono. Last time I think I did 18 seconds, I'm aiming for 20. 3, 2, 1, go. Whew. 20 seconds and 30. This is a PR. Never done that much L-sit before. This challenge definitely worked. I'm gonna take a short break here and test my L-sit to handstand. I can't deny the fact that my abs are freaking destroyed, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Go. It's not going through. No, I do feel like I'm getting a little bit further and maybe more higher up with my arms, but still not enough. Alright, set number 2, forgot to start the timer. I'm gonna get 15 seconds. I feel really more stable. Man, I can do sets of 15 seconds. That's really fucking good. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the L-sit to tuck planche, also known as L-sit swings. I figured by looking at the last footage, the last workout, I wasn't going deep enough with the movement. So I'll try to really focus on deepening and going further in the movement, and also getting a lot of range in my shoulders, right? I think it's gonna transfer it to the floor version. Yeah, the smoothness is definitely here, and then I really do feel more comfortable doing that now. So that's a good sign. Let's go. So I came with an idea. Instead of doing only tuck L-sit, I'm gonna mix tuck L-sit with tuck planche hold. Yeah, so I create more space in my shoulders. Let's go for 10 seconds each. I can't hold that one 10 seconds. Best I can do is 5. Oof, shoulders hurt. So instead of starting with the L tuck, I'm gonna start with the tuck planche, because I figured the later is way harder than the former. So let me start with the other one first then. Yeah, it's way better way to do it. Day 5 of the challenge. Today is a test and rest. I'm gonna test my maximum, aiming for 22 seconds, which I never done my entire life. Let's go. Yes. 23 seconds. I keep getting better, man. Let's go. So I'll be testing the L-sit to handstand. I've seen a video and I think I was doing it wrong. I was doing it like this, but I should put my hands on the side. So let's try this to create more space. That's better, but that's still not enough. I can't. Alright, so this is day 7 technically. This is the last day of the training, the L-sit. So tomorrow what I'm going to do is the testing. But since my core is really sore, I want to give it some rest. But if I do not do an L-sit today, it's not going to count as L-sit for every day for a week, right? So here goes. L-sit is done for a week, but really I'm going to stretch my abs doing the cobra pose, make sure I'm healing and doing my maximum L-sit stand position tomorrow. Plus I also want to work real quick tonight my L-sit to handstand, only that. Alright guys, this is still day 7. Just want to make sure that my abs are fully recovered for tomorrow's test. So I'm going to do some more cobra pose, 1 minute hold, and get to bed after that. I can't wait to see the result tomorrow morning. Alright guys, so hours for hours, it has been 1 whole week. So today I'm gonna test my maximum L-sit, aiming for 25 seconds. If that is happening, I'll be really happy. But first, let me do some warm-up first. Definitely am still sore, but I think it's gonna be good. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait. 30 seconds! Holy fuck! That's 30 seconds! Oh my god! Wow! 30 seconds, L-sit! That's pretty fucking awesome! Fuck yeah! Boom! Yes! Oh my god! The core's sore. Triceps on fire. The day's chest day? Fuck. I burned all my energy in that L-sit. Still 30 seconds, awesome. Let me just check my L-sit to tuck. That doesn't go through. There's nothing I can do here. Alright, so I can do the L-sit to tuck on the floor. I will just try my transition on bars and see how comfortable I am. Yeah, that's crazy. I feel so much more confident in that move. So I guess this is a win too. Definitely can't do it on the floor yet, but on bars it gets really easier. And I think the next skill I'm gonna learn is L-sit to handstand on bars actually, so stay tuned for that. At the end of this journey, I came to the conclusion that hypothesis number 1 was reached and even surpassed, since I did hold the L-sit for 30 seconds. For the second one, it is still too hard for me even after doing L-sit every day for an entire week. Let me know if you guys have any tips regarding L-sit to handstand from the floor, and tell me if you guys like this video type of challenge by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing it with one of your friends. This was Nick Lab. Here we never peak because the best is yet to come. Peace out!